In this video, we'll show you how to insert your SIM card into your new Pixel phone. First, you'll need your SIM card that you'll use for your Pixel phone. If you have a new carrier for your cell service, they'll provide you with a new SIM card. If you're keeping the same carrier but switching from another phone to your new Pixel, remove the SIM card from your old phone. On the bottom left side of your Pixel, find the SIM card slot. Take the SIM card tool that came in the box with your phone and insert it into the small hole. Gently remove the tray, place your SIM card onto the tray, and push the tray closed. With the power button, turn on your Pixel phone. In a few minutes, your phone will connect to your mobile data carrier. Now you know how to insert your SIM card into your new Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.